talked about having a filter in the toolbox, but what do you do if you don't have one in the toolbox? How do you identify what filter to use?
Well, and that's where it gets tricky. You may have a gun on your sprayer that's not the gun that came with that sprayer when you bought it brand new. So ideally, you would email me a picture of your gun and the filter taken out of it laying beside it. At some point, an incorrect gun filter may have even been put in the sprayer because models do change, and with that, filters do change, and it can be tricky to make sure you get the right filter. So ideally, if you send me a picture of your gun and the filter, be able to very quickly identify what the correct filter would be that you would need.
Okay. Okay, terrific. Thank you very much.
No problem.